I was just talking about this shit yesterday, bro. It's
My niggas always skied up, we can't be barefaced. ARP right to his dumb, just like a bottle of some hairspray. How these niggas out here acting like a grizzly, I think they barefaced. I just gave my bitch a band for that new wig, that's just her hair paint. Brand balls be.
What's good, YouTube? Sport 345 man. Back at it again with another video, man. Today we got a new mod going on the car. This is really basically first mod of the car, for real. So the new mod is a new steering wheel. So we throwing a new steering wheel in here. So for to set you guys up, we're finna get to it. Don't beat me up though, so I don't know how this camera angle finna look from right here. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm gonna set y'all up right here. Oh. Set y'all up right there. So we finna get to it. He had the airbag unloosened, so. I'm low-key kind of scared. I don't want to pop out at me and shit. Really. Guys, something is going on. I'll get back to y'all when we have the airbag off. Good peace.
Day 2.
All right, YouTube, man, we back, man. It's probably like 2 days later. We got this new steering wheel on, as you can tell.
Nice.
Way better than this little round piece of shit.
Brother,
Round piece of shit, that's what I'm gonna call it. Better than that, you feel me? But we gotta, I was gonna customize my airbag, bro, but everything is just taking too long to come, bro. And I don't have patience no more. And I'm not finna just keep riding around with my shit looking like this. I can't even honk the horn. I needed to honk my horn and I couldn't even honk my horn. So I'm finna throw this on real quick. Then I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive and me driving it. So y'all can see the steering wheel. When the other stuff comes for the steering wheel, I just make a separate video for that. Right along with probably a little bit other stuff. But I'm finna get back to y'all and I'm finna show y'all how to do this. So let's flip the camera on. Matter of fact, I'm finna give my girlfriend the camera and she's gonna hold it for me and I'm finna show you how to do it. Hold on.
Cap.
There you go. All right, so I just gave her the camera and I'm finna show you how to do it.
Really about to get your pickle cheese now, boy. Egg on that collard green.
First thing first, well, one of my things is broke. The blue one right here is broke, so yeah. So I don't even know if I'm even gonna put that back on, so or I'll try to put it back on. Oh my God. I'm getting a cramp, y'all. I'm getting old. That in. Then it's the final one. Put this in real quick. Oh shit. I should have lucky disconnected my battery, y'all, but fuck it. Well, no, not fuck it. Fuck. Fuck, hold on. Let me disconnect my battery, y'all. Oh my God. Just gonna grab these tools. For your battery, we're gonna need one of these. We gotta go on the other side. We're gonna pop the trunk though, just so it can be ready. Come over here. Battery. Gonna get you a little 10 mil. Put it on. Hold on, let me clamp that on. That's on. Disconnect your negative. Alrighty. Take it off, put it to the side. We gonna wait a little bit. All right, hold this working. All right, we're gonna come back to here, and we're gonna. Yo, that shit came out. Oh, this shouldn't be coming out that easy. Oh my God. Well, y'all get the point. You plug all this stuff in. I'll get back to y'all when they're back in there.
Day 3.
All right, YouTube, man, we back, bro. It's fucking third day of doing this shit, bro. Damn! I ain't gonna lie. I'm overly stressed out. But hopefully this the last day doing this. So first thing first, I'm finna set y'all up. Hold on. I'm finna set y'all up right there. We gotta take this off and put some. Hold it down. I'll be back to y'all when I get a glove. Hold on. All right, YouTube, we back. We got to go get a glove. Throwing some Loctite. It's a small glove, but it's gonna have to do. First thing first. Putting this up. Get this ready. Okay. Jesus Christ. I probably won't never take this steering wheel off ever again. Or if I have somebody take it off, bro, I'm going to the shop, bro. When I take it, like, this shit not hard, y'all, but when I tell you this shit overly stress you, it literally overly stress you, bro. Okay. My next cars, just going to the shop. Unless I'm feeling nice. Feeling nice towards my car. Alright. So you can let go of the steering wheel. First thing first, I'm gonna get you a little bit of this. And just rub it around. I'll get some more. Just put some more on there, y'all. One more. Put a little bit more on her, y'all. Not a little bit more, but you know what I mean. Like a decent amount. Oh my God, it's on my hand, yo. It's alright. That should be enough, y'all. So, go. Take this glove off right here. There we go. Put it back on. Screw it back on, y'all. I low-key should be using my impact, but I'm a tighten it. This the steering wheel we're talking about here, y'all. We're gonna tighten up some more. Alright, y'all. Alright. That should be tight enough, chat. Hold on. One more. Alright, no, that's definitely tight enough. Alright. After that, put this back on, save it for another screw one day. And now, because I forgot I had a heated steering wheel, y'all, but it never worked anyway. This for the heated steering wheel. So I'm gonna cut this off. Cut that off. And I'm gonna cut that one off. See if that fits. Because it was giving me problems not going on yesterday because of that certain reason. You're gonna grab your airbag right here. Oop. Hold on, y'all gotta fix your. Yeah. What's going on, chat? Hold on. Oh my God, bro. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, now you wanna grab your stuff. I'm gonna put these in first. But one of mine broke anyway, so. No. But y'all shouldn't be broke. So. That one down. You can fake clap the broke one down, I guess. Then your last thing right here. Clap this in. Alright. So now you just want to line it up, y'all. It should just be an easy slay. Oh my God, Chad. Hold on, bro. Hold on, Chad. This like he's still getting in the way. If I ever need them again, y'all, if I ever change this steering wheel again, I'll just let the junker, right? Grab the wire harness. Bro. Oh my God. This is supposed to be the easiest thing, bro. Hold on real quick, chat. I'll get back to y'all. All right, YouTube, we back. We got this side clamped in, but this side I don't want to clamp in. So this the finished product. Well, not the finished product. I'm probably gonna go to SRT8 Tay House tomorrow. Psych! And see if he can get the other side on because that side not clamping in. But so far, this is how it look. It look better than not having one on here. But we're gonna go to SRT8 Tay House tomorrow. See if he can get it. If he can't, then shit, probably go to a mechanic shop, bro. But I'll get back to y'all tomorrow.
Cap.
What is that, YouTube? It's your boy 345 Tail, man. We staying video, but we back though. We doing a POV drive. Look at the steering wheel though in the POV drive. Oh my God. Y'all can't lie, chat. I don't know why the hell I keep saying chat, bro. Nah, but this look way better, don't it? Than that other steering wheel. We on our way to go get some gas in this bitch. We gonna downshift though. Woo! 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 We can't do too much. We almost just lost this bitch. Fuck this nigga hitting the brakes for. But you know we on our way to Sam's Club to go get that cheap 93. Yeah, boy. The fuck I set my blinker on? Oh my God, man. I should hell on Johnson this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, I would've did it, but you feel me? I need both hands for that budge. I need to get a motherfucking tripod. But like, look at this rim all on my ass, bro. Ooh, I hear them downshifts though. Hold on, y'all. We might get a little busy onto. Chat. What the fuck? You got a charge right there. Oh my god, chat. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm finna to invest into a fucking GoPro or a fucking head strap or something. Cause I ain't gonna lie, man, we getting too many close calls with this shit. Too many fucking close calls. Damn, it's only. Hell no. Hold on, y'all. We gonna go right here behind this nigga. I ain't gonna lie. And wait, nah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm low key dumb as hell. I ain't gonna lie, I'm going behind the caddy. It's bad. I'm going behind the caddy. Fuck this shit. Oh my god. A nigga really almost just lost this bitch though. Oh my god, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I gotta commemorate that. I'll get back to y'all.
Fight! Fight!